Hey everybody, it's Dr. Luke Stringer here down at Advanced Health Chiropractic in South Duper, Chicago. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, and we're here with one of our new patients, Maurice. Maurice was recently in a car accident. Following his car accident, he's suffering pain and dysfunction. He's just getting going with treatment today. So Maurice, can you just explain to people watching the video what happened in the car accident, how you felt after, and then for the handful of this we've done, how have you been feeling?
Okay, so what happened, I was just proceeding like westbound on Van Buren when a car came out of Target and struck me in the back rear. And, caused a little discomfort. And came here, of course, and Doc took care of me. Great doctor for any type of injury you might have for dealing with your back or spine,
Awesome. So yeah, Maurice said, rear-ended, pain dysfunction. He's been an awesome patient. He's already started feeling better. Now, before we get going to the treatment video, I want to give Maurice, aka the Grizz, a shout out. Maurice, if you want to plug and play your socials, your YouTube, your production.
Yep. Catch me on Instagram at Grizzmatics. And I'm the Grizz. You can catch me on all platforms. Check out my new single, Smoke.
New single, Smoke, Spotify, SoundCloud, all that. So if you're into rap music, give the Grizz a like and a follow, and then let's get your spine adjusted. All right, so Maurice been in a car accident, guys, so obviously we modify how we adjust the spine for patients who've had high trauma. High trauma can create a lot of ligament damage. Take pressure off the discs in the lower back. The specific technique. Doing the opposite of gravity. Alright, Maurice, you're all set. Alright everybody, so if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, like, follow the page. Again, if you're into your rap music, the Grizz Addicts on Instagram, give them a like and a follow. We'll see you in the next video.